To publish your work on Makershala, go to My Works on the header menu and select Create New. In the project title, enter the name of your project. Enter a brief description of your project within 150 characters. Select an image to upload as a cover image of your work. The image can be of JPG, PNG or JPEG file formats and should be within 2 megabytes. In the contents section, write the details of your work as required for your project. You can add different types of media such as images and videos in your work post. To add a video, go to Insert menu of Editor and select Media. Paste the URL of video and click Save. You can also format and align text, images and videos by selecting the text or object and clicking the respective format button. Select your team if you are publishing on behalf of a team. Then select the project or competition this work is linked to and click Publish. Your work will be submitted for approval. You can get the published URL of your work from Preview page by clicking the Copy URL button.